Okay, so we're looking at a 2021 Toyota Venza. This is a hybrid one, but it doesn't really matter if it's hybrid or not, because I'm going to show you where your cabin filter is, how to pull it out. It's going to be located behind your glove box, so we're going to lower this glove box door. First thing we're going to do is disconnect the damper. Come over here, pull it to disconnect it. Glove box stoppers, we need to get around these. Okay, so what we're going to do is push the glove box in like that. You can see the stopper go around. Kind of put some pressure on the glove box down. Then we can lower the whole thing down like this. The filter is located in this compartment here, and this is the door. Now we're going to come over to the door, and we're going to squeeze these tabs right here on the sides. That's going to unlock the right side. The left side doesn't have that. It uses these guys that are sticking out right here on the sides. This one wasn't actually installed correctly, but it should be in there like this, and then you undo it like that. Okay, so when we go to put this back, we put the left side in first like this. Just push that back like that. All right. So the filter is located in here, and it's in a holder. So we'll pull the whole unit out. The holder we're going to reuse. We just take the element out like this and notate it says airflow down. When we get our new filter, we just put it back in the holder. It just drops right in. This filter is in pretty good shape. We're not going to replace it today. I'm not going to recommend it to my customers, so it's going back in. So when you put the holder back in, you want to make sure that you push this thing all the way back and it goes up like that. Okay, if you have it sticking down like this door will not go on because it has these little feet right here. So it needs to go all the way up like that and stay up. And again, left side first, and then you can just push it. It should click like that. Get the glove box door, and if you hit it, it'll fall off. It's just on these hinges. It's made to come off like this. It's not really that big of a deal. Just go ahead and stick it right back on. Pull this guy up, and we're gonna push it past the stoppers. And then we'll come back over here and get the damper, reconnect it, and close the glove box door, and you're all done. If you need a filter, I'm gonna have a link down below that takes you to Amazon where you can get a filter if you need one. So check that out. If this video was helpful, I'd appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me, or leave me a comment, or even subscribe if you'd like to see more Toyota content.